Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence, Ramakrishna Math. I convey my profound thanks, namaskars, greetings to Mr. Reddy Garu, MD of Hyderabad Metro, and also to Rangachari for making it possible for coming over here, and also the former ritual of announcing the outstanding leader of 2013. So without delaying, I have spoken much last 2.5 months and bored all of you a lot. As per the judges, they found it very, very tough, very difficult. You challenged them with your presentations, thoughts, right from the first round to the last round, neck to neck. Very good thoughts, both in writing, speaking, thinking, analyzing. So many things you have undergone. Long way to go, as some of them pointed out. Requires little more maturity, little more thinking. It will come as the tree grows up and up. So many opportunities will come. Good watering, good fertilizer, good manure, good protection from virus, parasites. All that will make a good tree, and that will become, as Sri Ramakrishna wanted the Vivekananda to become a big banyan tree. So it started in such a way, and then we will see how other training sessions will conduct itself. So after 2.5 months, I'm feeling bad. All my friends will be going away. But I will not leave you. Huh? You may leave me, but I will not leave you. Because Vivekananda has got a bigger mission. 2013, it should reach long way till Mangalayaan reaches the Mars. Okay? And it won't stop there. It has to send information to us. Is it not? It's not just sending somebody for picnic. After coming back from picnic, you should write what happened in the picnic. Is it not? So many wonderful things are there in saving for you in the next years to come. I thank all the schools, 24 schools, and others who have come today, who have come a long way in your journey, 2.5, 3 months. So we request, suppose one question to all the participants. How will you feel if nobody is selected? If nobody is an outstanding leader, what will be the situation? All will hold each other's hands, right? Huh? If all are selected, the level will be the same. No boosting, no puncture. Okay? And if only one is selected, sure, honesty. Honesty is the best policy, they say. Today, honesty is the only policy. You cannot have a second son. SUN or SON should be great. So, okay. So, whoever it is, I don't know. I've just signed the papers. The judges have handed it over. And Vivekananda will bless everybody. He is there in this hall. He is listening to you. He is seeing you. And he will go with you. Because he says, my faith is in the younger generation, the modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. They will work out the whole problems like lions. So whether you are in 11th, whether you are 12th, or whether you go to professional colleges, like your seniors who participated in 2011, 2012, this is the 3rd edition, like Dilip, who was 2008 leader in Chennai Vivekananda College, beating nearly 10 or 15 college representatives. And later that took him to US to represent India in so many things. Now he's in Deloitte, working in the software industry. So it's a long journey, and it's satisfying that one character, one strong man is there. And Mr. Reddy, coming from different backgrounds and all the educationists. So this is a kind of education which you had. So all are good, some are best, and one will be the outstanding leader.